Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off ghost mode on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Snapchat users may be uncomfortable at the thought of their exact location being shared worldwide, and for all to see at this very moment. However, there's a quick and easy way to ghost everyone for those who value their privacy. By default, your ghost mode on Snapchat is enabled. And what if you want to disable it? What if you want to turn off the ghost mode? So anyone on Snapchat, when they visit your profile, they will know where you are. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji icon on here. You can go to settings by tap on the gear icon on the up right corner here. You can scroll down. On privacy control section, there is an option see my location. You can just tap on that. As you can see, by default, the ghost mode is enabled. So your friend can't see your location. You can turn off this mode by tap on the toggle on here. And you can choose who can see your location. Your friends, your friend except users, or only the user friends that you choose. I will choose my friends, so you can tap on OK. So now your friend, they will know where you are when they visit your profile. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off ghost mode on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!